Day trading for beginners, your ultimate guide to mastering the market. Imagine making money in minutes. Day trading offers the thrill of quick profits and the excitement of navigating the fast-paced market. But how do you start? And how do you succeed? Welcome to the ultimate guide to day trading for beginners, where we'll reveal everything you need to know to begin your trading journey. Ready to dive in and take control of your financial future? Let's get started. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the exhilarating world of day trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide to navigate day trading confidently. Note, this video is for educational purposes only, and trading is a risky but wealthy profession, so do it at your own risk. Section 1. What is day trading? Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. The goal is to capitalize on small price movements in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. Example: a day trader might buy shares of XYZ at $50 in the morning and sell them at $52 in the afternoon, pocketing a quick profit. Section 2. Key characteristics of day trading. 1. Speed. Trades are executed rapidly, often within minutes or hours. Leverage. Day traders often use leverage to amplify their returns. 3. Liquidity. Day traders focus on highly liquid assets to ensure quick entry and exit. 4. Volatility. Profits are made from small price movements, so volatility is a trader's friend. Example: in the volatile cryptocurrency market, a day trader might capitalize on Bitcoin's quick price swings to make a profit. Section 3. Essential tools for day trading. 1. Trading platform. A robust and user-friendly platform is crucial. Example: platforms like E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood offer tools tailored for day trading. 2. Charting software. Helps analyze price movements and patterns. Example: TradingView provides advanced charting tools and indicators. 3. News services. Real-time news feeds to stay updated with market-moving events. Example: Bloomberg and Reuters offer comprehensive market news and analysis. 4. Risk management tools. Tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Example: setting a stop-loss at 1% below the purchase price to limit potential losses. Section 4. Popular day trading strategies. 1. Scalping. Making dozens or even hundreds of trades in a single day, aiming for small profits from each trade. Example: a scalper might buy shares at 15.50s and sell at 15.55 within minutes. Momentum trading. Capitalizing on strong price movements in one direction. Example: buying a stock as it breaks out to a new high and riding the upward momentum, the breakout trading. Entering a position when the price breaks through a key level of support or resistance. Example: buying XYZ stock as it breaks above its 52-week high of $75.